About an hour ago, a major earthquake occurred in the southern part of the Banda Sea, magnitude 7.6. As you can see here on the map, the southern part of the Banda Sea, it is actually called Kepulauan Babar, Indonesia. You may remember that yesterday in the earthquake forecast I mentioned the atmospheric fluctuations that we picked up 2 times on 3 and on 5 January. As you can see on the 3rd, this purple band goes right over the Banda Sea. It could have been the Philippines or even southwestern Japan or Taiwan. That is the uncertainty that we have, but it is pretty accurate. And again on the 5th we also picked up the same fluctuation, again marking that part in the West Pacific. This is the second magnitude 7 earthquake, major earthquake in 2 days. We have them on average, this is a long time average, about 20-24 days. This is of course well above average, and this is what we see repeatedly, a clustering of larger earthquakes in time, and this has everything to do with the critical planetary geometry that we had on the 7th. I mentioned that in detail in the previous 2 videos, this morning and also yesterday. The critical planetary geometry involving Mercury and Venus was very similar to that of the 9th of September. That was also followed by a magnitude 7.6 earthquake. Very similar planetary geometry, also coinciding with full moon, but again, I'm not sure if that is really a decisive factor. Earlier today, I had my doubts whether or not there would be another larger earthquake, because we already had this magnitude 7 earthquake yesterday. Apparently we did have one. We don't know for sure, but around the 9th was critical because of the critical planetary geometry. So that is what we continue to show you, that the critical planetary geometry is very, very important, and we always keep track. That's what we do. The critical planetary geometry that has the potential to trigger larger seismic activity. Again, it very much depends on the condition of Earth's crust, whether or not larger seismic activity occurs. That is an uncertainty. It really is a blind spot. We can analyze the planetary positions and the lunar geometry as well, and indicate the potential for larger seismic activity. In addition, we have the atmospheric fluctuations, as you can see, of very, very great help. And there is a tsunami threat, but I don't know the current situation. A magnitude 7.5 or larger earthquake can definitely trigger a significant tsunami. Please follow the agencies whether or not there is any threat for the region. Until next time.